to cook up another instrumental. You ought to give me 2 thumbs up just for this intro. It's Bigg Vic TV. Hey, welcome to my world.
What is good, fam? It's your man Bigg Vic, and I'm black again in the building. What I want to do is introduce you guys to something new, brand new from your boy Bigg Vic. Finally, a new product. I know it's been a minute. Finally, a new product. We dropping today the Bigg Vic Trap Sauce Midi Pack 18. Let's see how many we got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 18 MIDI files. Trap inspired MIDI files that you guys can get access to. Manipulate them any way you want to manipulate them. It's just song starters to get you off with a nice melody, to get your grooves cracking, jog the creative juices inside of you. If you having one of those days where you just can't figure out what should I start this beat off with, so now you can add that Bigg Vic Trap Sauce MIDI pack to your arsenal. Today I'm dropping it for $19.95. A little light $19.95. That's about 20 cups of coffee. Not Starbucks coffee though. But yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna demo a few of the MIDI packs for you guys. Probably most of them. But I'm gonna demo the MIDI packs for you. We use the same drum program. I just put something very, very simple together to show you how you can manipulate these MIDI packs. You don't have to use it exactly how you hear it. You guys know how to go in and manipulate MIDI stuff. I'm sure. I do it all the time. So let's go in real quick. We on Reason 11. We're in Reason 11 and getting ready to just demo some of these MIDI packs for you guys. Well, MIDI sounds for you guys. So let's play it. I'm gonna play this joint for y'all. So you see how that sounds, right? So what I want to do is go in, I pull halftime up. I went into halftime, dropped it at 1/16, turned halftime on just to see how I can change up that sound from sounding like it sounded when you get it in the MIDI pack. So it sounds like this now. All right, so I didn't do anything too dramatic to it, but I did add some drums and a nice 808 just so you can get a feel of what you can start doing with some of these MIDI packs. I keep saying MIDI packs, with some of these MIDI sounds, right? So let's go. Let's drop it. Let's drop it. Turn your speakers up a little bit. But don't let this get you in trouble, all right? This 808 about to drop, all right? Let's go. Let me stop playing with y'all. Let me go ahead and add the hi-hats in here in this drum sequencer. Let's kick it. Let's kick it off. Sounding good right there. How many of y'all started spitting bars to that? How many of y'all started spitting some mumble bars to it? All right, so let me go through another one of these. Let's bypass that. So I'm gonna just turn this 808 off, keep the drums, and I'm gonna slide this one out of here. Let's go to, let me pull up treble. See what this sounds like. I wonder what this is gonna sound like if I hit this halftime button. It is already sounding lovely from the rip. So let's just hit the halftime and see what it does. As a matter of fact, we're gonna take it from 1/16. I'm gonna turn off the drums for a second. Let's mute the drums. Let's go in here and let's just do half. It's probably gonna make it very low. Already got it just automatically gave me the nasty face. That gave me the ugly face just now. Ooh. Let's bring the drums. I don't feel like reprogramming the 808, but I'm just bring the drums in. It already sound nasty. Let's go. Bigg Vic trap sauce midi pack. Let's go. Let's go. Do I need to play any more? Let's demo a couple more. Y'all. All right, so let me mute that. Let's turn halftime off. Let's bypass it. Let's take that one out. All right, let's come back. Let's try fade away. Let's try fade away. This was the first one. All right, so that was the first one. Let's take that one off. Let's go Fortune. Let's try Fortune. Y'all know so much we can do with that, right? Let's just manipulate it really quickly again. Let's see what we get when we do this at 1/16. So of course, we can always go in here, right? We can always go in here, bring this in, nudge this in all the way up to a new octave, and just change it up again. Let's try it. Matter of fact, let's go back down. Let's see something here. I think it was there. I'm just trying something. All right, so y'all see what we can do with that. Let's try one more. Let's bypass halftime. Come in here. Let's see sauce. Let's see with the sauce. Let's pull the sauce up. All right, so let's double this one up. Boom, 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 boom. Halftime executed. Matter of fact, let's change this. Let's change this instrument up. Let's see. Okay, that's not the instrument. All right, so let's see what else we got in here. TX Dreams. What's this? This might have been the same one. Grainophone. What's grainophone? All right. Let's move this one. Let's go to where we at, Trap. So let's go to see what exotic is. Let's take that one out. Of course, you guys can know with Midi you can add any instruments you want to that. Any instrument you want to it. Anyway, guys, there's 18 MIDI sounds in here. New MIDI pack, Trap Sauce MIDI pack from your boy Bigg Vic. Check it out, download it if you're looking to support the channel. This is a great way to support the channel. Of course, I have a couple of my other, looks like this. You can come right here to the page. I'm gonna drop the link to where you can get the new Trap Sauce MIDI pack, and you guys can come here and check out a few of my other instruments. I got the 808 Reason Refill. If y'all don't have that, you can get that. Still got my analog drum kits. So we rocking and rolling. Got a few products up here. Got rid of my other website. This is where I'm gonna host all my products at from here on out. And if you love to support the channel, if you like those MIDI sounds, go ahead and check them out. Cook up with it. Let me hear the beat that you made. Who knows? I may just drop it on the channel. Matter of fact, that's what we'll do. Whoever gets the MIDI drum pack, cook up a beat, and I want to put the beat on the channel. Send me the beat and I want to play the beat. I'll put your name up there and all that good stuff. And we can see who made the hottest beat using the Bigg Vic Trap Sauce MIDI pack. I think that's dope. What y'all think? I got major content coming y'all way, alright? To the next video. Always hustle, never stop growing. Get that Trap Sauce MIDI pack. Let's go. Peace, y'all.